Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Virgo at sign for the month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. This is monthly reading. So Virgo, let's see your recent past. Nine of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Three of Cups. Yeah, you are going towards your person, or your person is coming towards your reconciliation. So a lot of readings got reconciliation. Definitely I'm getting reconciliation, not getting any third party here. So one person is stand by their power, another person is going towards their power, their person, reconciliation. So let's see, Virgo, your feelings towards your person. Virgo, your feelings towards your person. Oh, Lord. Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, the Tower and the Wheel of Fortune, and your person feelings towards you. Wow, the Change and Hierophant, Wheel of Fortune and Hierophant. The Dream, wow. I think you are fantasizing about your person a lot. Seven of Pentacles, I think the one person who invests more this connection is you. Sorry. Is more you, Virgo. The Tower moment, I think in past or in the recent August starting, there could be a tower moment between both of you, but Wheel of Fortune definitely thinks two times. Wheel of Fortune, your person is also got Wheel of Fortune, you also got Wheel of Fortune. Definitely the relationship is going to be next level. Positive changes are going to be happen. This tower moment is also for good because the Wheel of Fortune is here. I think you are waiting your person to come towards you. Already it is started in past, but it is slow, it is coming. Your person is also want to offer long-term commitment, because the nothingness means Hierophant here. They want to offer long-term commitment to you. And dreaming, yes, they are also dreaming about you. Six of Cups, strong past life and soulmate connection with each other. Things definitely, Wheel of Fortune two times here. Definitely positive changes are coming in your connection. Flowering Queen of Pentacles, your person want to offer and share everything with you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Virgo. Traveling, Eight of Wands. Yes, definitely changes are coming. They are coming very fastly. Communication, you both are communicating with each other. Aloneness, yes, with each other, you both feeling hermit mode, aloneness. So this is going to be, and I am getting this is past energy. Right now present energy is traveling. Definitely there is fast moving and communication, back and forth communication is going between both of you. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag. Could be any sign. But so let's pull some more cards from universe for Queen of Pentacles two times. I think two ladies are involved in this situation. Page of Cups, yes, your person want to communicate you. Communication. Five of Cups, yes, aloneness. Five of Cups, definitely one person feeling very sad. Final card, the Devil. Your person could be Capricorn. I think this could be past energy. I think you both are obsessed with each other. This sadness is going to be end because changes, positive changes are coming, because two times Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Pentacles. I think your person, if they did wrong, they will definitely apologize to you. So they are coming. You both have strong soulmate and past life connections. So this relationship is definitely going to be next level. Positive changes are coming, I am getting. So reconciliation is coming. So those who are waiting for reconciliation, commitment, it is coming, Virgo. So this is the reading for you, Virgo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.